The concept of synchronic lines is one of those mysteries that for decades have fascinated both the curious and researchers, be they parapsychologists, psychics, biologists, or even geologists. These lines, theorized as invisible paths that cross our planet, would be points of concentration of terrestrial and spiritual energies, comparable to a sort of nervous system of the Earth. The intersection points of these lines, often called nodes, are believed to serve as energy storage centers, and it is believed that paranormal phenomena, altered perception experiences, or even time travel can occur in these areas. One of these alleged energy nodes would be located in Thompson Park, a vast and verdant park located in the city of Watertown, New York. The park, which opened in the early 1900s, is known for being a place of great natural beauty, but over the years it has become famous for far more disturbing reasons. Since its opening, numerous people have reported extraordinary experiences, with testimonies that speak of strange and inexplicable visions, feelings of disorientation, and even temporary disappearances. One of the most persistent legends about Thompson Park is that of the dimensional vortex, a phenomenon that seems to move within the park over the years. In the 1930s, many of the paranormal sightings were concentrated at the base of a hill, but as time went on, the focal point seems to have shifted. In the 1980s, the vortex was located between the park zoo and the golf course, but more recently, it seems to have moved to a less traveled area in dense bushland. This continuous movement of the alleged vortex only increases the mystery around the park. The testimonies regarding this paranormal phenomenon are many and often conflicting. There are those who claim to have witnessed visions of past or future eras, those who claim to have spotted mythical creatures such as Bigfoot, aliens, or even spirits of deceased people. However, the most disconcerting and recurring story is that of the temporary disappearance of people. It is said that those who walk in certain points of the park can suddenly disappear, and then reappear a few meters away, completely confused and disoriented. Some of these individuals have said that they have experienced something even more extraordinary, real journeys through time or into other dimensions. People who have lived this experience speak of unknown places, with alien landscapes and creatures never seen before. Many of them are found in a state of altered consciousness, some even catatonic, unable to remember precisely what happened during their brief disappearance. Their stories are often fragmentary, full of surreal details and hard to believe, but incredibly similar to each other. Further fueling these legends is the presence of a local witch, who claims to have the ability to connect to this vortex and to be able to see beyond. According to her, the vortex is actually a portal that leads to a dimension where time and space do not follow the laws we know, but where there are other realities that humanity is not yet able to understand. These claims, which might seem like the fruit of fantasy or superstition, have attracted the attention of numerous paranormal research groups. Many of these investigators recorded abnormal energy levels in different areas of the park, finding unusually high electromagnetic fields. This has also led some scientists to take an interest in the phenomenon, and surprisingly, the measurements have confirmed the existence of unusual magnetic fields in various points of the park. There are mainly two theories about these phenomena, one of a paranormal nature and the other of a scientific nature. Paranormal theory holds that there are synchronic lines in the park that intersect in a dimensional vortex, weakening the bonds of space and time. This vortex, crossed by human beings, could lead them to live experiences out of the ordinary, which the human brain struggles to understand and remember, leaving them disoriented and confused once they return to normal. On the other hand, scientific theory attributes these phenomena to the anomalous electromagnetic fields present in the park. These would be caused by the presence of high concentrations of minerals and metallic rocks in the subsurface, which alter the local magnetic field. It is known that exposures to high magnetic fields can result in hallucinations, feelings of disorientation, and other distorted perceptions, which would explain the visions and experiences reported by witnesses. Today, Thompson Park has become a place of great interest for mystery hunters and paranormal enthusiasts, earning it the nickname Watertown Area 51. Many visitors come here in the hope of witnessing one of these extraordinary phenomena, drawn by the fascination of the unknown and the desire to experience firsthand something that defies human comprehension.